Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today you are going to learning a super exciting concept. Yes, these four secrets to make master and expert in IT industry. Yes, what are these four secrets? Why should I learn and have this every IT aspirant and who are seeking a job or opportunity and who wants to start a career in IT industry? Before going to initiating this session, if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support for us. Yes, a secrets, the number one, choose a wise and a great programming language for your career. Yes, it will takes you definitely to the next level. The programming languages might be in Python, C++, Java, C#, PHP, a wide. Even JavaScript also you may choose to start your career to take a next level. It's a really awesome and expertise. You need to make a master in that particular programming language, any one. The next, immediately, you need to be concentrate. The second one, master in data structures and algorithms. What are data structures? How to prepare and plan data structure. That will be give you more convenient like a trees, queues, how data is going to be like a LIFO and FIFO concepts. Last in first out, first in last out, how it would be. The data, how the data is going to be organized in a computer system to process and execute. These data structures will take you like understand you how to easily write a code. And algorithms, what ready-madely already available algorithms, if you know how it will be function, how you can use to develop your programs, that will take you into the next level to making a hashing techniques, to provide like a easiest way to like a generating like a random numbers. Small things you start learning and apply. The third one here, like very super easily find the domain where you will suit. It might be web application development, it might be like mobile app development, cyber security, operating systems, or any tool management where you want to go. Yes, that will take you like how you are going to be choosing your domain. Yes, definitely you need to do more real-time projects in it. Definitely it will help you to make you master in less time and cracking in interviews, and this will be forever, it will help you greatly. The next one, completely understand the fourth secret I am going to sharing you now. The completely understand life cycle, how you are going to be choosing. It might be software development life cycles, SDLC, what you have learned in education and academic area. So software development life cycle and process, SDLC. This will, what the steps you have to take, a step-by-step process, how the development process will go to the application development to create a complete project, which methodology you are going to be choosing. It might be SDLC, it might be like Azile. The go to the process. Easiest way, all you need to learn concept wise and preparing a small projects. Yes, any methodology will take you very easiest way to build a software applications and software project developments. Yes, strongly remember, along with these four secrets, all you need to be ready for all updates in the software industry to be taken care. Upgrade your knowledge, keep on update, and cope up with the trending technologies, what the updates are going to be adding and add-ons. Yes, definitely you will be great success in software industry. Want to try more and have an expertise in software industry. Think about all these secrets, put your learning efforts and make a master in a particular domain which you love most. All the best.